Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niatanyitwo kuruguria mitaratara ya uthii wanambere kaunti-ini ya Githumo muthenya wa ruciu, na oho atongorie mucemanio na atongorie matiganite kaunti-ini iyo. Mbere yo president niagakorwo igongona-ini ria muthia ria mathako ma ngerekano ma macukuru maria makoretwo magithii na mbere mwena ucio. Ona kuhana uguo mwaria wa thingira wa iregi Manoa Esipisu ari thingira-ini wa iregi wa kaunti ya Githumo ni arekereria ndumiriri egie mutaratara wa icera ria mutongoria wa bururi kaunti-ini icio.
Let me speak to some of the work that the president has overseen over the last few weeks and months. One of the pivotal of them being the work related to the National Youth Service. NYS cohorts are involved in the cleaning up of the hyacinth from Lake Victoria.
President no atanyitwo gukahurira kiama kia Jubilee refe na kuria aikaria mwena ucio makinyite baru.
In relation to the digital literacy program, Kisumu County has received 21,792 tablets in the 402 primary schools, while in terms of free maternity services program, there has been a total number of 77,452 deliveries since 2013. While in terms of CDF allocations to the constituencies here in Kisumu, that amounts to 2.63 billion.
Icigo ici cieri ikoragwo ikinyita mbaru kiama kia ODM kiria gitongoragio ni Raila Odinga. Ona kuhana uguo icera riu nirimenereirio ni atongoria mung'ethaniro makiuga thirikari ya Jubilee hatiri uthii wanambere mareheire kuma riria yoire wathani.
Jameni, tuendelee, tukae na amani.
Mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka muthiru, Uhuru ni acerete kaunti-ini ya Kakamega kuria ahingurire muhaka wa kuingira bururi-ini wa Uganda hakuhi na gicagi kia Lwakaka.